Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello, I broke a nail. You guys know that Miss Nikki T, me, loves herself a little challengey. I'm so sorry. You guys know that I love myself a good makeup challenge. So James Charles came up with the LED makeup challenge. The LED makeup challenge is inspired by all of the TikTokers out there who have strips of LED lights in their rooms for all their TikToks. I'm not on TikTok yet. Every now and then the really viral ones go on Twitter and Instagram and I see them there, but let me know if I should be on TikTok, because like sometimes I see the content and I'm like, I'm here for it, darling. So the LED lights are used for their TikToks, and James was like, if you turn off all your white lights, your normal lighting, and just have the LED lights on, what happens is it cancels out all the tones of colors. It's all very monotone in color, hence why it's so hard to do your makeup in LED lighting, because you think you're gonna be rocking it with a neutral shade, and then once you turn your lights back on, it's bright green. I'm gonna be dipping into palettes that I don't use as much or know as much, and my color of choice for this challenge today is red. Let's go. Oh my God. Whew. All right, so my entire studio is colored red, and when I look in the monitor and when I look in a mirror in real life, everything is a tone of red, orange, or yellow. So it is very hard for me to differentiate tones and to see what colors everything is. It all seems very bland and monotone, like some people's personality. So with all this lighting on, I might fall asleep because this is very boudoir. This is very comfortable, sleepy lighting, but I will power through and create hopefully a fierce ass makeup look. Let's start off with the easy part that we don't need any lighting or normal lighting for, primer, because natural prime is what a crime. The first product I'm going in with is by Tatcha. This is brand new. If you know their silk canvas primer, the one in the pot that you have to scrape out and then douse on the face, this is a liquid version. It is called the Liquid Silk Canvas. Today I'm gonna be trying it out for the first time ever, trying it out as a primer. This might not be the perfect day, but hey, why not today than any other day? Oh, that feels very nice. It feels very rich. It feels very silky. I think it's really taking care of the skin and priming it. Okay, this is scary. Now it's time for the next step, which is foundationes. I am going in with the Natasha Denona Transfer Matte Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation. And I'm in the color 5N Fair. This is pretty automatic pilot for me. Like, I can do this in the dark. I've done this in the dark. If you've seen Don't Breathe, this feels like that scene where the old man is chasing them in the basement. Oh my God. Oh my God, you can't even see. Oh shit. Okay, so the red color, the red lighting is taking out all the tones. So I thought this was gonna be easy, but I'm now noticing that I won't be able to tell if I covered a spot or not, or blended out the foundation well enough or not. Because the only difference I can see in my mirror right now is if the skin is wet or not from the foundation. So sometimes you have a couple of patches or little streaks from blending it out a little bit too rough. I now have no indication whether it's applied flawlessly or not. So I'm gonna take extra time and be extra cautious to get every single corner of my face perfectly blended in. Oh God, the forehead. Oh my God. I always have a problem blending in foundation into my hairline because I never know if I'm taking it too far, like blending it out nicely. So this is great. Just awesome that I can't see anything. Oh crap. Okay, so the foundation is drying. So seeing a difference between normal skin and foundation skin is nearly impossible. So I think I'm gonna have to continue on to concealer. All right, for concealer, I'm gonna go for the one that never lets me down, the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer in the color Chiffon. Oh, please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Okay, so I'm blending in the under eye concealer and I literally cannot see my edges. So I can't see the edges of the concealer blending into the foundation if it's seamless or not. Why did I think this was gonna be easy? All right, I'm setting my face. And again, the only thing I can really check for is if my skin looks shiny or dry. That's how I know where I powdered. Like I won't even be able to tell if like I over powdered, like applied too much powder. But hey, gotta do what I gotta do. I cannot see a thing. Okay, that was a lot. All right, it took me approximately 25 minutes to get these brows on in this red lighting. It was very difficult to do, and I'm even more scared for the eyeshadow because literally differentiating colors in this lighting is impossible. So I have a couple of palettes here that I tried before, but I don't necessarily remember what they looked like order-wise, what the colors look like. So I have this right here. This is P. Louise. This is the Secret Sinner palette, and it looks like this. Isn't that beautiful? You can't see anything. Of course, dark colors are gonna look like dark colors. It's not like the red lighting is gonna flip the system and make light colors look dark and vice versa. Of course, I'm gonna know that these shades right here are gonna be a little bit darker, but I cannot tell you what colors they are. They all look like peachy nudes to me. Now, I have another palette here called Viva Taco by Glamlight. And this is, hold on, and this is what that looks like. Again, lots of beautiful peachy nudes and darker colors. We're in for failure here today, people. And also I have the Be Perfect Carnival Extra Large Pro palette, the Stacey Marie palette. Looks the same as all the other palettes I just showed you. Oh my God, I thought I was gonna have a whole lot more fun with this one, but oh, shit, I'm scared. Like I am frightened for my blended, beautiful eyeshadow life. The first thing I'm gonna do is apply a primer to my eyelids. I am going in with the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the color Chantilly. I'm applying this to the eyeball. All right, I think the palette I'm gonna dip in first is the Viva Taco one because I love tacos and okay. I have this right here. I'm looking at the palette and I want to go for like a medium shade. And right now the color that looks medium to me is Salsa Roja. Does that mean it's red because it's called salsa? Picking that up on a brush. Oh my God, I cannot see how much I'm picking up. Hello? Ooh, there was a lot of powder. Okay, I think I picked up enough. I'm gonna pop this onto, I can't see anything being applied. Stop it. You can't see. There's a little tiny bit of darkness being added. Oh my God, I'm shook. I'm shook and scared. Right now, this looks like a soft peachy orange. That's as far as I'm gonna get with this lighting. So I don't know if this is like, I don't know what tone this is. This could be, I just don't know. Okay, I'm hopping over to the Stacey Marie and Be Perfect Carnival Extra Large Pro palette. I'm taking the color Keen because it looks like a nice subtle like neutral shade. Okay, I'm picking up that color and that is going on the inside portion of the crease. Again, I cannot see. Oh my God, that looks green. That looks like it has a tint of green. All right, so I'm popping this on this inner corner. I'm trying to blend it with that first shade that I applied, but that still looks like a transparent queen. Like we cannot see her, she's hiding. So I don't know what exactly I'm blending it with, but we're trying to blend here. Oh, I cannot see anything. You know, this challenge would be a whole lot easier if I could actually see a little bit of a color. I'm being very cautious and blending extra much to make sure that I don't have any harsh edges, even though I cannot see an edge. Okay, now it is time for something on the lid. Pretty much any shimmery shade that is light toned looks like a shimmering gold in this lighting. So I'm gonna have to go for El Pastor. I don't have a clue how much of this I'm putting on right now. I see a tiny bit of shimmer. Can you see that little bit of reflection on the lid? So I know something is there, but I'm just piling it on to make sure that a lot of it is on. Now I want to take Pico de Gallo and apply that to the inner corners. Oh, that's shimmery. Oh my God. Something, do you see that? Something is actually showing up right now. I am shook to my core. Okay, so we've got the top lid, I think pretty much done. I mean, in this lighting, it looks like a very soft, subdued, bright as hell inner corner look. So for the bottom, I don't know what we're gonna do. All I know is that we're gonna do something fun. Hopefully. When I look at the palette, I wanna go for something a little bit more smoky. So I'm gonna go in with this color here, which it's called Red Cabbage. So judging by that, it's probably a deep, dark, beautiful, luscious, vampy red. So I'm gonna pop this on, smoke it out, and hopefully look like a vampy queen. Oh God. Oh God, I think it's a purple. Shit. In this lighting, it's starting to look like a purple. Purple was not the goal. Vampy red was, well, this could still be, what if this is like a black, like a gray black? Oh God. Well, I wanted smoky, I am getting smoky. I think this is a black. And I'm now reliving my emo phase in high school. So I have a lot of darkness going on at the bottom. That means I need darkness at the top. So I'm gonna be applying lashes and I'll be right back. Time to keep it moving, time for the cheeks. I'm first gonna bronze. This is gonna be interesting because I don't know how heavy-handed I'm gonna be with this. To challenge myself a little bit, I'm going in with this bronzer here. This is by ColourPop. It is called Talk to the Palm, and this is a stunning bronzer, but if you go too heavy-handed with this, it looks, on me, it looks like warmed up mud. I'm gonna challenge myself and see if I can keep it light-handed when I don't see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna start bronzing right here on the outer portion of my face, on the hollow parts of my cheekbone, blending up and out. And looking in the mirror, I see a tiny bit of darkness. Like right here, you can see a tiny bit of darkness coming through. So I know it's doing something, I don't know how much. The forehead to bronze on me is the hardest because I am 2 seconds away from having a muddy forehead. I have to be so cautious with bronzer on my forehead that this is not gonna end well. Oh God, I'm gonna contour the nose. Oh, it's gonna look as if I fell in the mud, won't it? So what I usually do is I just take my bronzer brush with my bronzer and just literally make my entire nose brown. And then what I do is I take a dry beauty sponge and my face powder, and with this I'm carving out the sides and the center, which I cannot see right now. That might be uneven. Yep, that's uneven. Well, we're gonna blend out those edges now and then hope for the best. For blush, what I did was I wanted to dip into a blush brand that I'm not that familiar with the names. So I ended up with MAC because MAC has like a trillion blushes and I never really quite know what name is which color. So I looked around in this red lighting, and there's 2 colors in here that I have absolutely no clue on as to what they are. I have one called Devil, because this challenge is the devil, and in this lighting it looks like a beautiful soft peach. And I have this color right here. This is a shiny one, so this is gonna highlight too. This is called Cheeky Bits. Looks like a shimmering soft peach. So I'm gonna mix the 2 together and blush up. Again, I can't see. It's like anything colorful won't show up. I'm also gonna put some on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose, and I'm just hoping this color is not like a bright red or anything. For highlighter, I'm dipping into the Jaclyn The Flash highlighter palette. Oh my God, finally something we're gonna see because shimmer does read in this lighting, so I'm gonna go hand with this one. Lady Gaga and House Laboratories recently came out with brand new lip products, and I know it's a bunch of nudes, reds, pinks, burgundies, and I grabbed one of the colors because I'm just not that known with the colors just yet. So I took the color, oh, it's a called Le Monster Matte Lip Crayon, and this is in the color Mastered. It looks orange. I'm hoping it's orange. Like in this lighting, it looks like a bright, fiery orange. All right, so on the lips, it's starting to look like an orange peach. I don't think it's a too dark of a color, because if it's darker, it would have turned up a little bit darker on the face. So I don't know what I'm dealing with here. All right, I have no idea what I look like. This has been one stressful roller coaster. I'm using setting spray to call it a day because I want to see what I look like. Okay, so all my normal lighting is back up and running. I took out all the red, all the LEDs, and now it is time to see what my face looks like. Are we ready? I don't think I am. In 3, 2, 1. I'm so afraid to open my eyes right now. Okay. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Oh my God, what happened? This did not look like that back with the red lighting. Oh my God. Okay, first of all, okay, let's dissect whatever we're seeing right now. The cheeks are, oh my God, what blood? Remember how I said that I thought that Devil was like a peachy orangey blush? Holy crap. Oh my God, the lips are actually red. Oh, time for the palette. So this is the Viva Taco palette and the, oh my God, that's right. So, oh Jesus Christ, thank God. Oh my God, so this is what the palette looks like in natural lighting, and I put Pico de Gallo, which is a bright orange, on the inner corners. I mean, the eyes, thank God this isn't black. It's like a blue. Is it a blue? It's a purple blue color. For the eyes, I definitely expected way worse. Is it my best blending ever? No. Am I surprised that the top at least sort of like matches with each other? Yes. I look like a train wreck. I mean, look at me trying to save this look like, oh my God. I mean, the foundation is nice. The brows look good. I look like a flop. I am a flop visualized onto a human being. Okay, I obviously did not pull a James Charles and slayed the look. I failed, I flopped. Even though the cheeks are way too much, I'm kind of like, yes, cheeks, we're spicing up the party. And I definitely wanna know if you can do a better job than I did. So I tag all of you, get some LED lights, try this out for yourself, and tag me on Instagram or Twitter or wherever and show me how you did. Definitely sound over the comments down below your favorite part of the look. I'm gonna have to go for the brows. I slayed those brows. Hello. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And hopefully I will see all of you guys on the next one. Goodbye.